Spring Q 2024 is this week, and I am going to be presenting from Sheets to Slides, Student Created Design Yearbooks, and Google Slides. And I'm here to request your help in submitting your portrait if you are attending this amazing conference in Palm Springs. During our workshop, which is all hands-on, I'm going to show you how to use the Slides Create add-on, which went live back in October of 2023. The add-on went live when I was at the Google Symposium with my fellow champions, which included our Q members. For the past few weeks, people have been submitting their Q portraits, and I want to thank you for that. I also want to show you an update that I have been working on. So I am a classroom teacher, and I taught myself how to code because I wanted my students to have yearbooks they could afford. And one of the biggest parts of yearbooks are the individual portrait section. Yes? So I had to figure out a way to gather all of those portraits so we can put them into Google Slides. And that's what Slides Create does. So as a classroom teacher who taught herself to code, this Slides Create add-on is going to get better and better. And this weekend, I have made some major changes that I want to show you. Do you see how the images have disappeared in column A? I needed to fix this and make it intuitive. What happens is the link to your image breaks, and then Slides Create doesn't work. So we need to have a solution. The previous solution was to go to the review button in the sidebar and click refresh images, but this isn't intuitive. We needed a better solution. In the newest version of Slides Create, you are prompted to refresh your images when you go to Create Slides. Another important update has to do with Gather from Drive. I'm clicking from Drive, and I'm going to select the folder I want to use. This is Clay's Google Innovator Academy. I select the image name. I select the section. These are last names, and these are first names. I click Submit. Now, check out the update. Do you see the circle going around and around and around? Yes, I coded that. That lets you know that the code is working, and sometimes it takes a while, especially if you have 1,000 students or even 600. Another Spring 2024 update has to do with selecting the color. When you type the color you want, I want a rainbow. Confirm and go to fonts. Wait a minute, there's an error, and it says I have to click preview before proceeding. Kind of proud I figured this out. So I click preview, I see what I have, I can confirm and go to fonts. The same is true with fonts. I select it, but if I mess up and I click confirm and go to template, I get an error, which helps me know I have to click preview and see what it looks like before I proceed. If you would like to learn more about Slides Create so you can save your students money on their memories, then come to Spring Q and attend from Sheets to Slides. And better yet, come to the workshop and submit your yearbook portrait. See you at Spring Q.